So a man writes in to our counselors. It's a free service at the Marriage Foundation. He says, my wife is so selfish. I'm beside myself. I don't know what to do about this. My name is Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, and I'm going to try and give you some insight so you have an understanding. Selfishness becomes a habit. So I want you to start seeing your wife more objectively. Don't take her selfishness personally. Her selfishness has a direct impact on you. That's true. But it is you, your mind, who is weighing that impact in relationship to everything else. So it's very important for you to recognize that this is sort of a disease of hers. It's a good thing that got out of hand. Why is it a good thing? Well, we live in a dog-eat-dog world, don't we? We live in a world where, and I'm not exaggerating, you get hit by a car, you're laying there. Usually the first person who comes around is going to go, are you okay? As they're picking your pocket. That's the kind of world it is. So we are souls, yes, but we are in a physical form. We have a physical body. It's a possession. We have a mind. So we're souls, yes, we're very spiritual. I'm sure you're very spiritual, but you have a body, and your body is designed all around one ethos, which is survival. So your whole drive to survive is guiding your psychology. Your physiology is guiding your psychology, same with your wife. And it manifests differently. And what happens is, as we mature, we're able to modify the physiological impact on our psychology. That's what thinking is all about, and weighing things and analyzing things, and we keep it in perspective. So you have to be selfish enough to survive, but it does get out of hand. Now, in Western psychology, in the West, because there's an Eastern psychology that's very different, is all about making excuses, explaining away these things for the purpose of working on them. And that's nonsense, because they're missing something very important, and this is what I'm going to share with you. You have this little thing called free choice, free will. It comes with the package. Your mind belongs to you. And so when you're able to recognize that your thinking isn't good, it's your job to fix it, to change your thinking. But we are not taught that, because our society, the Western world, is guided by Western psychological principles, and they're basically incorrect, because they all go back to making excuses instead of telling you what to do to improve the future. So, you cannot tell your wife what to do, because that drive to survive is going to put up walls. She'll be defensive. Don't even try. It will not work. And it doesn't matter anyway. It's none of your business. Her flaws, because we'll call that a flaw, that she is selfish, is her business. Until she sees it, God himself could come and say, you're selfish, and she won't. It's the nature of how the mind works. It's part of the same drive to survive that doesn't let information in unless it fits into a paradigm that we've already accepted. So you're not going to get through to her. Forget that. But what you can and what you should and what you must do is be accepting. Well, that is selfless, isn't it? How ironic is this? There's no coincidences. So her selfishness is driving you crazy, and the solution is for you to selflessly accept her as she is and train your mind that is being impacted to not be impacted, to be totally cool with it. Don't be critical. You have no right to be critical of your wife. It's a undermining element in any relationship is criticism. So, understand this. The whole idea of marriage is to have ever-increasing happiness and ever-increasing and ever-expanding love. And it's up to you as an individual to achieve those. Now, obviously, when you subscribe to this channel, because our approach to marriage is so different, you're going to learn a lot. So subscribe and learn and apply. So apply what I'm talking to you about now. Also, leave a comment. Leave a like. Those always look good. YouTube likes them, and I like them too. You deserve, because it is an innate aspect of marriage, to be the happiest part of your life. But you got to know how to do it. And that is up to you to learn. So I hope this was helpful. This is not a major thing. Her selfishness, if it's a burden on you, then the flaw, more important than her flaw of being selfish, because that's a subjective read you have, is that you're impacted by it. That's the flaw. Because you should only be taking care of your own business. Right? Doesn't that make sense? You don't want her pointing out your flaws. So, we live and we learn, and we move on. And if we're evolving as we're meant to be, then we are learning how to get rid of our own flaws, not to change the flaws of others, and how to remain happy. There's a saying I heard many years ago, to stand unshaken midst the crash of breaking worlds. It's an illustration of minding your own business and being in joy the whole time. Thank you, and God bless. Don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment how wonderful this video was for you. Joking. Take care.